I'm so thankful I get to use Windows 10 in education with my students. What started as an amazing platform for learning has only gotten better. Not only does it bring innovative tools to the hands of students, but setting up and managing Windows 10 devices in a school system is easier than ever. In this course, Brett and I will show you how we see the features in Windows 10 helping students achieve more.
That's right, Becky. The recent Creators Update brings new tools for creativity, knowledge construction, collaboration, student engagement, and more. With digital inking, interactive apps, collaboration tools, and a great web experience, I hardly know where to start.
I know. Well, I know where to start. I want to make sure our viewers see how to personalize their start menus and access settings that make using Windows 10 simple.
Sounds good to me.
Your start menu can be managed by your school district, but you also may have the ability to pin applications that you use frequently to the start menu as tiles. Select the Windows icon to open the start menu, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. On the left side, find apps you use often by browsing through this alphabetical list of all installed applications. When you find one you want to save as a tile, drag and drop the app right into the start menu like this. Rearrange the start menu by left-clicking and dragging a tile to the new location. To remove a tile, right-click on the tile and choose Unpin from Start.
I like to pin the Windows 10 app that I want to get to quickly in my start menu. But for apps I use all day long, like Outlook, OneNote, Teams, I prefer to pin those to my taskbar.
Good point. To do that, right-click on an application, then choose More, then Pin to Taskbar. There, now OneNote is available in my taskbar.
The other place I find myself visiting often is the Action Center. It's just like notifications and quick settings that appear at the top and bottom of my smartphone. In Windows 10, it's located on the far right of the taskbar in the system tray. On a touch-enabled device, swipe in from the right or select Action Center icon in the system tray. Here, I can see incoming notifications and get to settings I use often.
What are some of the Action Center settings you use in your classroom?
I use the project button to connect to my projector or wireless display. I use quiet hours to silence notifications while I'm sharing my screen with my students. And I use the Bluetooth options to connect to a Bluetooth speaker because I like to stream music while my students are working.
And let's not forget Task View. That's probably my favorite Windows 10 productivity feature. On a touch device, swipe in from the left side of the screen or select on the Task View icon to the right of the search bar. Task View helps me see what's open on my device. I can close applications from here, switch to another application, and see live updates from open applications.
I use Task View to create a new desktop while I'm sharing my display with my students. That way I can have my email, gradebook, and staff teams open on a second desktop while displaying my class team and directions for my students.
You're full of great ideas.
Thanks. Now that we've personalized Windows 10 for your own teaching experience, let's dig into some features that can really impact learning.